said they're going to get rained out for today. And so basically, they'll get rained out and we'll have to go work our asses off in the rain to get that wood. Because you know what he said? He's taking the wood to roll over it with this thing. And I said, he said we could have it. He said we could have it. And then he just looked at me. And he's like, well, we were going to use that deck so that because it's soft up here, he said we were going to use that wood to roll on. And I'm like, well, no, that's our wood.
My phone is getting rained on so much.
He's pretty good at that. See, yeah, he's trying to keep it all in one pile, bringing it down.
Oh, but it's in the drawer.
Well, if we would have got up here like we were supposed to, everything would be fine.
We should have came back up last night.
We should have. Who knew this was going to happen? I just asked him. He said it wasn't going to happen, but it did. I told you as soon as we pulled up, they have the big backhoe to tear it down.
It's so cool to see your house be tore down.
I know.
But my camera's stuck.